This tutorial is on how to amend letter of award based on comment. First, log in to the eProject system. Then open Project. Go to Tendering and click Letter of Award. If there are comments, it will state at any of the sections. For this letter of award there are comments at clauses. Click Edit. As you scroll you will notice at the green color icon with numbering. Click at the green icon to view comment. Click Close, then amend the clause based on the comment. Once finalize, click Save. Then go to Action and click Notify Reviewer.